Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export themes in Google Slide. So if you want to export your themes in Google Slide, yes, you can get it done. First thing you have to do is tap on view, then from there tap on theme builder. From the theme builder you can simply edit your themes. For you export it using the master edit. So if you want to change anything on your themes, you can use master edit right here, then edit the themes title, then you can go back to this slide and edit them according to your taste. Once you're done, then go to file, then simply download the file to PowerPoint. Once you tap on the PowerPoint, it will automatically download and it will reflect up here, which is the download folder. Then after that, you can go back to your Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Yeah, from there you can re-edit or make use of your Google Slide, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.